The Husqvarna 345 compared to the slightly new model 445. They look very much alike, they have the same feel, but there are a few differences we should be aware of. Both models there's a slight difference in the startup procedure, depending on if the engine is cold or warm. It's more than just the colour of the knob. On the new model there's a sticker explaining it to us, not that it's very complicated. Putting it in the choke position. The decompression valve on the 345, it's gone on 445. One less thing to remember. Not sure it was worth the extra investment though. When it comes to refueling, it's definitely a step in the right direction. Opening the lid has become much easier. The lids tended to get stuck after a short while with the 345. Often I needed a pair of pliers to get the old tank opened. On the 445 you can half open the lid and thereby getting a much firmer grip. And getting him open is no longer a problem. Time to compare the engines then. They say each chainsaw has its own personality, for better and worse, as is also the case with my saws. This is the 345. Pressing the air purge to fill fuel. Angry and aggressive, as a bee. Just as we want it to be. This is the 445. No decompression valve needed. Air purge to fill the fuel. The 445 seemed to be half asleep all the time, reluctant to even make an effort. Compare that to the 345. Sounds almost disappointed when I turned it off. And then the 445, lazy. More often than not, just stopped. Like this example. And to top it all, it started leaking fuel. The 345 was supposed to fill the role of a backup machine for me. Now they've switched roles. I took the 445 back to the shop and got some adjustments done to the fuel injection, but it never met my expectations, sadly.